Where does the name for Tre-saith come from? So today I'm in Ceredigion and I've been working with the Wales Coast Path to explore place names between Aberaeron and Aberteifi or Cardigan. And this village that I'm in now is called Tre-saith. Let's get into the name.
Tre-saith looks like one of the easier names to understand on the Wales Coast Path, but there is still some mystery hidden within it once we get into the name. The village was originally known as Tre-saith, meaning the beach of the Afon Saith. Over time, as a settlement grew around the bay, the name was changed to Tre-saith, with the first element changing from Traeth, a beach, to Tref, a settlement, probably as the size of the village grew and took importance away from the beach. The Afon Saith still comes out as a waterfall just outside the village. This has led to a little bit of confusion and myth, as saith usually means 7 in Welsh. There's a story that an Irish king had 7 troublesome daughters who he sent to sea on a boat without a sail, who landed here and got married to local men, but this appears to be a fairly new myth, arising out of an innate desire in most people to understand the names around them. But what does saith mean if it doesn't mean 7? According to the Dictionary of the Place Names of Wales, the nearby Afon Saith possibly takes its name from a dialectal or ancient plural form of saith, meaning arrow. Other explanations have been suggested, including a connection with scythe, a very rare word for saint, or even a personal name, but these have generally found less support among scholars. Whatever its original meaning, the river gave its name to the beach, and the beach eventually gave its name to the village. One of the village's oldest buildings is the Ship Inn, which has welcomed visitors to Tre-saith for generations, and remains open today, serving walkers on the Wales Coast Path, as well as those arriving from further afield.
Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe. And if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well sometimes, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.